Hey guys, I haven't done a video in quite a long time, so we're going to put one together here. HDPE, hard hat material, okay? What we're going to do, what we've already done, is we've used, who is it? It's a Scuff and Clean, and this is a SEM product, okay? Everybody's got their own brand of it out there. I'm sure they're all very similar. Okay, half of this was Scuff and Clean. This half was flame treated, okay? This half is plastic, whatever you call it, from DuPont, which is a plastic adhesion promotion. This side's Bulldog. Okay, so what I'm going to do is spray water base over the top of this, and then do an adhesion test crosshatch on all of it, and let's see what we got with it, okay? All right, so give me some time. I'll spray some on this. I'll get back to you after it's all sprayed, and we'll do some testing, okay? All right, guys, David Tsunami Hydrographics. We're back. We've got it base coated again. This is water base, Aqualock black. Okay. Now here's what I did. I've got it on the bottom here, so I didn't forget. But what I did was I flame treated this side. Okay. Scrub or Scuff and Clean. Get you close up there. Okay. This is an abrasive green goo. Gel. Okay, you put it on, you just rub it real good into it with a gray Scotch-Brite, okay, and wash it off with soap and water, whatever you want to do. This side here, I scuffed it real good. Okay, so we've got the flame treatment and the scuffing. Now, also, I wanted to test two more things. The front of the hat has Bulldog on it. The back half has, I guess, DuPont sold out their plastic to Chromax. Okay. This is a plastic adhesion promotion. Okay, similar to the Bulldog. It's like a green. Okay. We're gonna try them both out and see what happens. Okay. So, I should have checked this first, but I got a kind of a dull blade there. Alright, brand new blade, and we've got the packing tape for the test. Okay, so what I'm going to do is score 4 sections of this. Now the center of the section, believe it or not, I put tape down the middle of it, and I didn't do anything to it. I didn't flame treat it, and I didn't scuff it. So that should pull right off. Hopefully I'm going to do a section right across the middle here, and we're going to check and see if it actually will pull up easily. Okay, so let me get this done here. We'll go about a little over 1/8 of an inch, maybe 3/16 to 1/8. Actually, I want to do one across the back here too and see if there was a big difference with. Now I know if I use Jason's one-hit wonder paint, I'd probably get better results, so I decided to use just the water base. It doesn't have, oh, there it goes right there. Just cutting that where the tape was. There you go. All right. No flame treatment, no adhesion promotion. You got nothing. That's tested. Well, we got a problem here too. Yeah, we do. Okay. I'm not even pulling it with the tape yet, and I've got popping. Bulldog and Scuff. Okay. Now we're going to check the plastic and scuff. Okay. Got all 5 of them cut into it. First one we're going to try right here. Whoops. flame treated, and plastic. Right up in the front here. Hey, hey. Nada. Zippo. Okay, that was flame treat. Make sure I'm not screwing this up. Flame treat and plastic. Now we're going to flame treat and bulldog. Hey, hey, another good one, okay? Flame treating. 2 of them, both working just fine. No problems whatsoever. I mean, no white whatsoever through those. 0. That's what you want. Okay, so now we're back to the scuff. Let's do the middle one anyway. It should pull up right down the middle. Let's see. I think it was right down here in the middle, so this half would probably come up completely. This is flame, but there was tape down the middle, like I said. Alright, that's where the tape was, right down there. You see that, well, you can't see, but it just pulled everything off. But over here, and I think I'll keep on scuffing that, or cutting that. I want to double check that. Yeah, I can feel it's on much better, but it's still light. Get in there. Felt a little bit better, but I wouldn't use it in my doghouse. Okay, now we're over here. We know that there's a problem with the bulldog and the scuff. Maybe it's just the scuff itself, but let's try the bulldog and the scuff. Oh, she's a goner. Alright, bulldog and scuff, no good. Alright, bulldog and flame treat, good. I had too much fun here, as you can tell, guys. Alright, last test. Plastic and flame. I got one pop right there, okay? Alright. Plastic, flame, scuff. The scuff actually held up pretty good on this one with the plastic, okay? This is the flame treatment, and this is the this is the flame treatment, and this is the scuff, correct? Scuff on this side. Alright, so we had one pop up there. We had nothing pop up here. Let's do that one more time and just double check it and make sure we're on the right track here. Because that's not too bad. When you talk about, the reason I brought this up was because the scuff is a lot easier to do. You put the gel on, you scrub it with a Scotch-Brite, and you're done, okay? You don't have to clean it with the isopropyl, and you don't have to flame it and possibly burn it. I mean, it's a lot going on, right? Let's get a good shot here. All right, it pulled up a couple more. All right, so we do have issues a little bit. Scuff. So maybe if I scuffed it a little bit better, I don't know, maybe two scuffs might have got it to bond, or maybe even using a red Scotch-Brite instead of the gray recommended one might have been the solution. Again, plastic, bulldog. Okay, we still got the bulldog to stay on over here in the flame treatment. The flame treatment definitely worked. Much better, far superior than the scuff and clean. All right. So I hope this helps, guys. If you're putting your business on the line and you've got concerns about it, do this test on it. You know, take apart and do your own test on it and see what you come up with. This to me tells me I've got one more test to do, and that's 2 coats of the scuff with the plastique. The bulldogs seem to work okay with the flame treatment only. Okay. The plastic definitely worked. Well, it's definitely a flame treatment. I mean, there's no comparison between the two, really. I don't want a couple little loose spots there. I want this type of results, and the only way you're going to get that I found out so far is by flame treating it. Okay, so I got a video on YouTube, guys. It talks about a cheap flame gun. It's a $40 gun. It's one of those weed burners you buy from Home Depot. You connect it up to your propane tank. Use one of those striker igniter things on it. Make sure you've got a shut-off valve on it. But you'll see my video. Look under $40 flame treatment gun, I think is what it's titled. Okay, and you find a cheap, inexpensive way of doing one without spending a lot of money. It works great. I use it on just about everything. It's the way to go, really. As there's no reason to spend $600 or $700 on a gun. It's just ridiculous. So you've got to move it fast. Get that stuff off of it real quick. Use your isopropyl. I'm using 99% isopropyl when I wipe it down, and you get great results like this here. Okay, HDPE. Nothing really is designed to stick to it, but if you flame treat it and use a nice applicator or adhesion promotion, such as Bulldog or Plastique, you're going to have good results. David Tsunami Hydrographics, we're out.